Hello, I'm going to make an example of coding in Java that will loop and repeat and count up to a certain number. I've started some startup code here that's going to say up to what number, and then it's going to get input and you can type a number in. I want to make a loop that I'll use a while loop. Sometimes you put true in here and that'll make the loop repeat forever. Or you can put any condition that is either true or false. In this situation, I want to say, well, limit is, I want to compare something like maybe a counter is less than a limit. So I need to make a counter variable that is going to count up. So I'll say int counter equals 0. Well, counter is less than limit. I can say counter, plus plus. That's a short way of saying counter equals counter plus 1. Counter becomes what it used to be plus 1. It's getting larger by 1. So this would make it repeat up until that limit. If I want to output it and just to see what's going on, I could output the counter and just to see what it is doing. So up to what number? If I say 5, it counts. Counter starts at 0. Now it increases to 1 and it prints off the 1. Counter is still less than limit. Limit is the 5. So as long as this is true, the counter is going to increase each time, repeating, printing off the number. So that's an example of a variable that increases and it repeats until a certain condition is met. So it's counting, repeating a certain number of times.